Okay. So last class we had discussed about right, how to,
But screen not shared. Sir.
yeah, already shared. It is visible. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So how to create, how to enable, how to create bucket, and so how to upload files and all, and also mostly last class we see, right, so how to enable versioning. So real time mostly we are following, so versioning only, because multiple people working same document, right? So whatever they changes, they need to manage. So that case, mostly we go for versioning concept. So now today we'll see that continuation under S3. Now we know how to create bucket, how to create so bucket and all, how to create so bucket, and also how to upload files, and so download download files already next, versioning. This is the main how to version and all. So we can maintain, and based on your changes we can see that particular so date and time, so we can easily track, and whenever if we need your changes only, that time we can get it download and we can work on that, again we can upload. Now we'll see how to download. Now sorry, delete. Now if we delete, usually if we delete any file in S3, is it possible to restore? AWS console. Is it possible to restore? For example, I uploaded one file and I deleted that file. So is it possible to download, sorry, restore that file again? Anyone? So for example, I downloaded. So how it will work? Now come to here. So now S3 bucket, S3 bucket. So now create bucket, create bucket. Now bucket name I am using files. Okay. For example, upload files. Okay. I am going to upload the files, and so these are last class we discussed, right? So these are the enable and select if you want to give public and all, access and all, and enable versioning. First I am not going to enable versioning, and just I am going to create the bucket, create the already 1 2 3, so available, create the bucket. Now see here, now bucket is created. Now where is that upload files? Now I don't have anything. If you want to upload any file, click on the upload button. I am going to upload the file. See, add file or add folder, whatever you want. Just I am using so 12. Okay, 12. Now file is available in my sorry, cancel, and upload it. Now go to your bucket name. Now this is a file. If you select this, all are the disabled, right? Just I am selecting this one. Now I delete the file. Now it is asking, see here, permanently delete. What is this meaning? Is it possible to restore again?
Not
No,
possible.
not possible. Now we'll see that how it will work. Now I want to, if you want to restore, what to do? We need to enable that object and all. That's it. We need to enable. Now see here. Now there is no option. Again, it will restore. There is no versioning enable for this, right? Now same way, if we enable versioning, and there is multiple versions available, right? If we delete any particular version, and so there is a one option only delete, so that case it will delete. Internally it is maintaining like this only. So this is the bucket, right? So this is the bucket. I uploaded one file. I uploaded some file. Okay, I uploaded. I uploaded one file. What is that file name? Something I'm going to, for example, text.txt file. So usually if we delete means this is permanent delete. This is the permanent delete only. Again we cannot so restore. Now what I'm going to do, if we enable this versioning, same file we are maintaining multiple versions, right? If we enable versioning option and the same file we are uploading multiple times. If we enable this one, now so same file I uploaded. So txt file uploaded. Now what it will do, so internally it won't delete permanently it is marked as delete, and so if you enable that versioning option, there is a mark delete, again it will restore, it will remove that unmark, and again we can reuse it. How it will work we can see. So now we can see permanent delete, right? Now we can see permanent delete. Just now we saw, right? So if we delete the file, it is asking permanently delete. Now for this bucket already versioning is enabled, right? Now see here. So already here version is enabling. Versioning is enabled. So these documents and all. Now how it will work? So we'll see. Now see here. I am going to upload one file. So just try to understand. Upload one file. So add file, and so whichever file just select it. For example, I am adding 20. Just remember copy of R20. Okay. Now, so if you want to see enable this and all your wish, whatever you want grant access, and so what is the storage class you want? So we can see this one. Anyway, just I am uploading. Okay. Now go to bucket name. Now see here already 20 uploaded, right? This is the date and time we can see here. Now this is the 718. I'm going to modify same file. I'm going to modify same file. What is the file name? Resumes desktop. So uh, so 20 we uploaded, right? I'm going to modify same thing. Just I'm giving something modify modify the modify the file just for understand purpose. If we see what is the changes and all, that's it. So now again I'm going to upload the same file. Now see here. So upload file, and click on add file. Again same file I'm going to upload. Same file I'm going to upload. Where is this actually? Desktop resumes to under resumes. There I need to modify. So resumes here, under here we need to modify. Actually this is the file I uploaded. This is the path, guys. Don't confuse here. This is the path. Yes, okay, enable. So actually this is the path. This is the path. Next, I given something. Now got it. Now go to here, add file. Now what is the file name? For example, so 718 someone is modified, and same file I am going to modify the same file. Select this file, click on open, and so now if you want to we can enable this and all your wish. If you want to see that content and all, we need to enable. That's it. Now go to your bucket. Now see, guys, same file I uploaded two times, right? Now two times means now see, first 718 I uploaded and 720 again I uploaded. Now already for this bucket versioning and all enable, right? Now click, right? Now see here. Now I'm going to delete this one. See, select this, click on the delete option. 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 Now if we click on delete option, so earlier we can see what is the option we see. Now observe this message also.
It asked before
Earlier
permanently deleted.
permanent delete. Now this is only delete option. So what it is going to internally, this is a bucket. This is my bucket name. So this is my bucket. In this bucket, this is a file. So if you are not enable versioning, permanently it is deleting from this bucket. Now already versioning is enabled. Now it is marked as delete, but actually it won't delete it. Now see here, only we can see delete option. It is not permanent delete. Now see here, delete. Okay. Now delete. Now observe here. Now see here, right? Now just show the versioning. Show the versioning. Show the versioning and all. Now we can see mark. Where is that? It is visible or not? Refresh it. Now see here. Now delete marker. Delete marker. So now see here 721. 721. Now if we select this, if we select this, now see here, if you select this is the so deleted file. This is the deleted file. We can see type also. All files types we can observe here: document, document, and txt and so. But if we see this, if we see this one, what is happening? What is this file? Anyone? This is a deleted file, right? Delete marker. Okay. Now I'm going to delete it. Now I'm going to delete it. Now we can see. So the folder is selected, deletion all options folder remaining same only. Now see here, permanent delete. Copy this one, just paste it. Now only. Okay. Now go to bucket. Now see here, enable versioning. So now we can see one is 18. Now we can restore the option. See, I deleted file, again we can so restore it. So that is whichever we marker deleted, that only remove that that is marker. And so now we can see that actual file and all. Now two files, right? So this is the 718 I uploaded one time, and 720 also I uploaded one time. Now I deleted that marker deleted. So now we can see that actual files and all, that is restore. If you are not enable, so we cannot see marker delete and all. I hope you got it right. జస్ట్ వాట్ ఇట్ డిడ్, ఇంతకు ముందు మనకి మార్కర్, సో దాన్ని ఏం చేసింది, మార్కేసి పెట్టింది డెలీటెడ్ లైక్ దిస్. నవ్ ఐ డెలీటెడ్ దిస్ వన్ మార్కర్ delete. Now actual file will restore it, otherwise we cannot restore. So while deleting itself we can easily understand permanently delete. So permanently delete, if you are not enable the versioning, so if you delete any file anything, it will come like permanently delete. Now we cannot restore. Now if we enable the versioning the particular object, and that case it won't come permanent delete, it will show only delete option. Now again we need to select the marker delete file. Now that file is deleted permanently. Now actual file will restore automatically. Now got it guys? Anyone any doubt here? Clear? Now whatever changes, this is the 20, right? I modified something. Go to object URL and just paste it. Now see here, I modified something, right? Now see here, file is downloaded, and see here, please update. See here, please modify the file. This is updated file. Suppose if you want to see previous file, go back buckets, go back buckets, and which is this bucket 123, show the versioning. I don't want latest, I want to previous one. This is the 718 file. Now click on this and so download it. And here also we can see in this file we can't see that line. I hope you understand. Clear? Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now that's it. Now that is, I hope you got some idea how to create buckets, how to upload files, how to delete files and all, how to enable versioning and all. Now we'll see. So very important. So if you select, object, if you click on the bucket, and here we can see many options, right? Object, properties. If you want to change the properties, we can enable, we can disable. If you want to modify, you just see, you can see edit and I'll modify it. Now these are the permissions. If you need enable permissions, or if you want to disable permissions, that is ACL. Okay, so click on edit and allow whatever you want. Now these are the metrics. Metrics means like graph wise we can see every 1 day or every 2 days, whatever graphic you need to enable and all create. Anyway, we'll see CloudWatch and all. Now there is one more tab, management. So these are the very important life cycle rules. Interview also many people they are asking. So this is the life cycle rule. So what is this life cycle? Now you know how to create a bucket, how to upload files, how to download files and all. Now life cycle means, now we know, right, storage class types. So yesterday we discussed, right, how many types approximately? Storage class types, S3 storage class types. S3 storage class types. At least 2, 3. How many, guys? S3 storage class types. Last class already I
Nine,
discussed many times.
nine types.
Just
There are nine types.
S3
Three standard.
storage class types. Very important. Interval class,
Yes.
interval purpose standard. Mm.
Three storage. Yeah.
Next,
Three standard.
S3 is default for all only. Okay, leave it
Yeah.
S3 standard. And so standard IA. Now got it. S3,
Yes.
S3, S, infrequent access. IA means infrequent access. Next, S3. Hmm. నేనే చూసాము.
Basically express
So these are
console.
the very important. Even while creating object also we can see, or else so here also we can
Glass
see it.
here,
Hmm. Glacier, uh, deep
flexible
glacier,
retrieval.
flexible
Flexible
storage
retrieval.
class
Yeah.
types. So these are the storage class types we need to remember. So enter many people they are asking. So just remember at least 4 5. These are standard. Okay. Next, IA. IA means infrequent access. This is standard IA. Next, one zone IA. Next, so intelligent tiering. Next, these are the types, right? Now already last class we discussed standard means frequently used data. So express one zone means for most frequently accessed data. And so S3 standard IA means these are the when you go for, and when you go for this is frequently accessed data. Glacier means and archive data that needs immediate access. If you want to immediate access, we need to move this one. And so rarely access long term support, we go for Glacier flexible retrieval. And so does not require. Next, Amazon Glacier deep archive means long term archive and digital preservation and retrieval in hours. It will take 12 hours. It will take 12 hours, and it will take so minutes. The based on your requirement. So now these are the storage class types. Now I am going to, for example, now I uploaded one file. I created one bucket, right? For example, so unfortunately I forgot this bucket. What is happening? They will charge, right? For example, I uploaded so 1 GB data for testing purpose. In I created one bucket as of now here. This is my bucket name. So this is my bucket name. In this bucket, I uploaded many files. Okay. Unfortunately, I forgot. What that people they do? They will charge, right? Yes or no? These are the S3 also paid. We need to pay based on your usage. based on your usage. Based on your usage, you need to pay, and they will charge, right? Now I'm going to create a life cycle, S3 life cycle. Life cycle means when you want to expire this, or when you want to change one storage class to another storage class. So that and all we are going to manage here. This is the life cycle rules now here itself. So use life cycle rules to define actions to want Amazon S3 to take duration objects lifetime, such as transitioning objects. Transition means when you want to delete, okay, or you want to store, you want to move the another storage class, or when you want to archive this file, or when you want to delete these files after specific period of time. I hope you got it right. Now this is a file. After 30 days I want to delete this object, that's it. I don't want, I'm not going to use. Or after 30 days I want to move, what is the default storage class? Any file. If I'm not mentioning anything, what is the default storage class type? Suppose
Standard.
standard only. So this is
Very
the
standard.
standard only. After 30 days I want to change standard to so infrequent access. Infrequent access or a glass here, whatever you want. Okay, so that case we go for life cycle rule. This is very simple only, but try to understand. So this is very simple. After certain period I want to change storage class name, or you want to delete that object, whatever, that is your wish. That is your wish. Okay, now see here, no rules. As of now there is no rules. So there are no life cycle rules for this bucket. So for this bucket as of now we don't have any rules. Okay, create rule. Now everything asking here itself. For example, what is the bucket name? DevOps bucket life rules. Okay, just I'm giving so name, whatever name you can give it. Now now see here, now this is choose rule scope, all objects, only particular objects. That is your wish. Now in this bucket I have document files, I have text files, I have media files, I have Excel files. Just assume many types of files uploaded in this bucket. So what type of files right now? Right now I have dot star dot doc files, I have documents file I have, and I have text files also I have as of now this bucket, right? Correct? Yes or no? Clear? So నాకు ఈ బకెట్లో ఏ టైప్ ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఓన్లీ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫైల్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్? డాక్యుమెంట్ ఫైల్స్ అండ్ టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్స్. డాక్యుమెంట్ ఫైల్స్ అండ్ టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్స్. అర్థమవుతుందా శ్రీనాథ్ గారు? క్లియర్? So
Clear,
now
Amma.
choose the rule scope. Limit the scope of this rule using one or more filter. So suppose if you want to only document file, I want to move only doc files. This is the filter option. Suffix, prefix, filter option. No. I want to apply only specific, apply to all objects. This is the only filtering. No. If you want to apply all, whatever may be, that case you need to select this one. That is your wish. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Now I am selecting all objects, maybe document file, text file, media file, Excel file, whatever, any type I want to apply. That's it. Now if you want to filtering, select first one and give this filter specific version. Okay, so like this also, star.txt files only, I don't want txt, only document files. Like this we can filter also. Okay, now all files, enable this one. And these are the life cycle rule, very important. See, choose the actions that you want this rule perform. See here, move current version of the object between the storage classes. So if you select this one, automatically few options should be enabled. Now as of now my files default standard only. Next, what is the storage class name? Next storage class name, standard IA. Infrequent. Now observe here. So number of days, how many days you want to move? See here. So days after object creation. Now yesterday I created one object. So after 30 days, after 20 days, after you want to change this storage class to standard IA, or you want to delete this one. Now see here, there is one option is, where is that? Move non-current and expire current version. Select this one. You can easily understand. Expire current version of object after days after object creation. So after particular duration, I want to expire this object. Okay. Now how many days? Now I am giving 30 days. Now got it. After 30 days, what it is happening? ఏమవుతుంది మనకి 30 days తర్వాత expire, we cannot use it. Now you know, right? That is the expire. See, expire current version of object after 30 days, whatever you want. 50 days I don't want. So now if you click on create rule, this is the rules. Now see here, these are the options. See, 5 options. Move non current version of object between storage class. Permanently delete the non concurrent object. Permanently I want to delete. So now see here. So days after object become non concurrent, number of new version. So whatever you want. Now these are the options: delete expired objects, delete marker, or incomplete multi-part uploads. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Now see here, first I am selecting move one storage class to another storage class. Now see here, standard IA. After how many days? That is your wish. After 30 days. Now if you want to, we can add one more condition also. See here, add. Now, so after standard IA, next class it is showing like default. It is coming default only, guys. See, intelligent tiering. What is this? See here. Now, what is this? This is standard intelligent tiering. Where is this here? Infrequent access tiering. How many days? Here that is available. This one. They are talking about this one. Intelligent tiering. See how it will work. See, automatic cost saving for the data with unknown or charging access pattern, and frequent, infrequent, and RQ infrequent access tier. And so infrequent access tier saving up to 40%. We can save the money 40%. And that these are the, so what is the advantages, why you go for and all, just select it. Okay. Now I am giving number of days. See here, the valid integer value is required. For example, here I am selecting 30 days. Now see here, here that is saying like, so the integer value for the, so intelligent tiering must be at least 30 days more than the value of standard IA. If you want to configure this one, what is the rule, guys? Here, for example, here standard IA I given 30. If you want to apply this 30 plus 30, how much extra we need to add? 30, otherwise it won't work.
60.
60
Yeah.
days only. Okay, otherwise it won't work. For example, here I given 45 days. Now what is happening? What is the count I need to give here? 45 plus
90.
no. See, at least you must be more, at least more
75.
75. Now got it, right?
Got it.
Okay. For example, here I given 60 days standard IA. If you want to configure intelligent,
95.
90. 60 plus
60 to
30,
90. Okay, okay.
90. At least minimum 30 days we need to add
30
more.
days. Okay.
So that is a rule we need to follow. So now see here, it will come days after. So object move to standard IA after 60 days. Next object move to intelligent tiering after 30 days. Now got it? So these are the, so life cycle rule. Life cycle rule. For example, I need to, okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to select permanently delete or expire my object, whatever you want. Now there is many options available. See here, ex expire. So current version of object, expire current version of objects, and so how many days. Now I'm giving so after 30 days or after how many days, 20 days I want to. So see here, value must be greater than 90. I given 20. I don't know, just assume expire. I given 20. But if you want to expire that current version of object, at least what we need to give 3 months. You understand? Everything they given here only. మీరు దీన్ని కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయాలనుకో అట్లీస్ట్ ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉండాలంట? అట్లీస్ట్ integer value must be greater
Must be
than
90 days.
90 days. If you give 20, it won't work. At least 90 days. Now see, permanently delete. Permanently delete. See here, days after object become non-current. Okay. So for example, see here, the value is required. I am giving, for example, 10 days. Okay. Now see here, the number of newer version is retained. Now same file I have 3 versions, right? If you go to my bucket I uploaded on file, copy 20 file. Okay, 3 versioning I am maintaining. So now see here number of new versions. How many new versions you want to maintain? Can up to 100 versions we can maintain. So how many versions, guys? Up to 100 only. Up to 100 only. After that, so it will delete it. So now I need to maintain up to 10 versions. That's it. We can give more than we can give up to 100 versions. So select and whatever you want, create rule. Now see here, integer must be greater than 90. Somewhere we missed less than. Where is that? Greater than 90. 90 also it won't allow. I am giving 91. Now got it. Create rule. Now, so if you observe here, this is my bucket. So in this bucket, I am maintaining multiple versions. Now tell me anyone. So these versions and all, we are maintaining up to how many versions, guys? How many versions?
Up to
100.
100 version to standard. Okay.
100 versions based on this selection. So maximum we can maintain. Right now I am versioning, this is the file, right? 20. So 20 means this file I am versioning 2 versions as of now. See, this is the one version and this is the one version. And like this same file we can maintain 100 versions, we can check it. So these are the rules. Now see here, go to management and see here, this is the rule we created. So this is very important. Life cycle rule means if you want to change your object one storage class to another storage class, and when you want to delete, when you want to automatically delete or automatically expire, so that and all we can create under the rule, under the rule. Okay. Now so if you select means these options will be enabled. If you don't want delete, if you want to modify, and if you want to see the that configuration and all, click the view details. I don't want means click on it and actions. Now see here disable. For the time being I don't want this action. I don't want this action, and just I created, but future I am going to use enable this action, and that case we can use enable disable option. So now it is enable, right? No, I don't want this enable. After 15 days, after 1 month, I want to enable this action, and up to that I can, if you want to, we can disable also. Now see here, now this is the disable. Now it won't run, it won't run. Okay. Now whenever if you need enable, select action, just enable. Now if you don't want, so we can select this one, we can delete action. Now it is asking, see here, this action will delete a life cycle rule that might result in the retention of the existing objects or stop at whatever you configure, that will stop. That's it. Now enter also, mostly they are asking this one, what is also life cycle rule. So in this case, you need to understand two parts. One is one storage class to another storage class, and if you don't want, so we can specify the specific, remove the, see here deletion them after specified period of time. Clear, guys? Remaining and all your wish. Configuration based on your requirement, we can configure anything. I hope you got it right. How many rules we can create? We can create any number of rules. So these are the main life cycle rules. See here, total how many rules? 5 rules. Move current version of object between storage classes, and move non-current version of object storage class, and if you want to expire current object, or if you want to permanently delete, or you delete after expiration, whatever you want, that is your wish. Okay. So if you select, based on this all options should be enabled. Based on this all options should be enabled. Based on this all options should be enabled, so we can configure and we can save it. So based on your configuration, after 30 days or after 90 days, after 3 months, automatically, so this storage class will change, and also automatically based on your configuration, the object also it will delete. I hope you understand, right? Clear? Anyone, any doubt, guys, here? Yes or no? Hello, am I audible?
It's sir addable.
Now, see, if you want to delete, so any bucket, So for example, I want to delete this bucket. Is it possible to delete directly? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ బకెట్ delete చేయాలి. So this is my bucket. I am click on the delete bucket. Delete. Is it work or not?
No, sir.
వర్క్ అవుతుందా?
Not working.
ఎందుకు నాట్ వర్కింగ్? వై ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ deleting? Buckets must be empty before they can be deleted. If you want to delete any bucket, make sure that so is there any files, any objects available or not. Now I have 100 files. If you want to delete all these files, so there is one option is there we can follow, but real time don't do this one, and select that bucket name and click on empty. Empty means ఏం చేస్తుంది? Bucket should be empty. How many files that bucket has? అంటే ఆ బకెట్లో మనకి ఎన్ని ఫైల్స్ ఉంటే అన్నిటిని అట్ అ టైం డిలీట్ చేస్తుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? క్లియర్. See here.
Okay, sir.
Click on this bucket name. Here I have so here I have 4 files. Okay. Now I am selecting this file. I am click on delete. For example, so like this we need to type, right? Delete. So for example, 100 files. If you don't want 100 files, that time only. ఇప్పుడు నాకు 100 ఫైల్ అవసరం లేదు, దీంట్లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ నాకు అవసరం లేదు. సో దట్ కేస్ సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఎంటీ. ఎంటీ మీన్స్ what it will do. See here, emptying the bucket deleted all objects in the bucket and cannot be undo. అంటే ఆ బకెట్లో ఎన్ని ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని ఫైల్స్ని అట్ అ టైం ఇట్ డిలీట్ చేస్తుంది. See, delete permanently. We cannot restore again. We cannot restore again. But real time don't run this one. Real time don't run this one. And see 8 objects deleted with including version also. Including version also deleted all. Now see here, I don't have anything. అర్థమైందా? బట్ దీన్ని రన్ చేయొద్దండి. ఎంటీ మీన్స్ అంటే దాంట్లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో అన్నిటిని తీసేస్తుంది. సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద బకెట్ నేమ్, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఎంటీ మీన్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ బకెట్లో మనకి ఈ బకెట్లో ఎన్ని ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నా అన్ని ఫైల్స్ అట్ టైం డిలీట్ చేస్తుంది. ఎంటీ మీన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ మేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎంటీ. దట్స్ ఇట్. Now select this bucket name. Now delete bucket. Now it will work because I don't have anything, right? So type the name of the bucket name. I hope you got it right. Clear. Now select this, delete. If you don't have anything, directly it will work, or else it is showing we are unable to delete. Like this we are getting error message. Now here one more thing we need to understand. Now there is one more also is there. For example, I am in which region, guys? North Virginia, na? Okay, I am in North Virginia. Okay, now I am creating one bucket here. I want to share this bucket. I want to share this file to so another bucket. So how it will work? Now there is a one more concept available. There is replication. S3. Now try to understand replication. Now, so first I am going to create two buckets, guys. Try to understand. So next concept is so click on this. First I am going to create one bucket. Create bucket. Now I am giving test bucket 1. I am giving test bucket 1, and this is the region where you want to we are going to create. Which region? This is the North Virginia, or else come to Mumbai. Mostly we are doing here only, right? Come to Mumbai, and so S3 here. Click on S3. Click on S3. Now I have only one. I am going to create one bucket. See here, test bu bucket 1, buck bucket 1, and so I am creating which region? Mumbai region. Which region? Mumbai region. And so this and all your wish. If you want to, we can enable, disable, and I am going to enable versioning. If you want to configure replication, this is very important enter question. So if you want to enable a if you want to configure replication, so which option you should mandatory to enable? Which option, guys?
Bucket
Bucket
versioning.
version. Very, very important question. Just remember, and we need to enable. Otherwise, it won't work. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I am giving 1, 2, 3 also. 1, 2 also is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mhm. Okay. Now, repli, repli, replication. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Already people are using same name. Okay. Already existing. And so repli. Okay. Repli test 1, 2, 3. Okay. That is not available. Now, okay. So this and all your option, whatever you want, we can enable, disable, already create bucket. Now here we should be enable. Okay, that's it. I am going to create one more bucket. I am going to create one more bucket. Now see here, what is the bucket name? This is the bucket name. I am going to create one more bucket. So now bucket, create new bucket, create new bucket. Bucket name should be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and same region. And so now I am not going to enable bucket version. We can see how it will work, whether it will work or not. Just you want to see. Now try to understand, guys. Now try to understand. 1 second. Okay, it is created. Now two buckets we have. Two buckets we have. One REP replica test 1, 2, 3. Replica test 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I am going to upload one file here. Now see here. This is very simple only. Try to understand. Apply, upload, add file, add file. And so desktop, whatever you want. So for example, dev apps, right? Dev apps, copy this one. I am uploading this file. That's it. If you want to remaining option and all your wish, upload. That's it. Now concept is whichever files uploading here, automatically I want to reflect these files in these files in these files in
Another region.
another region, sorry, another bucket, not
Bucket.
region.
Okay, sir.
So that bucket may be anywhere, same region or different region or different version, different account also. Is it possible? Now see here. Now what you need to do? So this is one bucket. So now I'm created two buckets. This is one bucket and this is one bucket. Maybe same region or different region, or same account or different account. That is your wish. Okay. Now see here. This is the one bucket. This is the one bucket, right? So this is the one bucket. Okay, this is the one bucket, and this is the another bucket. This is the another bucket, 4. Now here uploaded one file. What is the file name? Which file I uploaded here? Here uploaded one file. Okay, what is
Dev
the
class.
dev class? Dev class.txt file. So dev class.txt file. Now I'm going to configure. Replication means whichever uploading here, automatically I want to replicate in this bucket also. That is the concept, very simple. Maybe this bucket in same region or different region. That is your wish. So that it is in the same region or different region. Same region or different region, wherever it may be. So that is your wish. Same region, same or different also. Or different account also. Same account or different account. Now both are in which account? Same, right? Both buckets available, same account or different account also possible. Okay, different account also possible. Now this file I want to replicate here automatically. Whatever, suppose if you upload anything here, automatically I want to replicate these files in this bucket also. So this is the concept. Now go to here. See here. Now, so what is this? What is the bucket name? First select which is the source bucket. So this is the source. So this is the source. This is the source bucket, and this is the destination bucket. This is the destination bucket. Okay, that's it. Now it is asking options. Now come to here. First, which is source? This one or this one? That is your wish. I am selecting this one, and go to management, and there is one option, replication rules. Replication rules. See here, use replication rules to define option to want AMS and S3 to apply during replication, such as server side encryption or any files, any transition, whatever you want. That is your wish. Now see here, I don't have anything. Create replication rule. Now it is asking, so replication rule name. We can give any name. We can give any name. So for example, DevOps replication rule. Okay. Now, so this is the name. This is the replication name, guys, not bucket name. This is the replication rule, and it is asking source bucket name. This is the source. So now, which is the source here? This is the source, right? So this is the source bucket. Already I updated, right? This is the source. Now see here, which region? Mumbai region, and you want to apply all files or only specific file. Specific means first option. Apply to all objects means second option. Which is you want? Your convenient. That is your wish. Now destination. Destination means where you want to replicate these objects across buckets in the different AWS regions also. Now choose the bucket in same account or specify the bucket in another account. ఇప్పుడు నా బకెట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? డెస్టినేషన్ బకెట్ కూడా సేమ్ అకౌంట్లో ఉందా, డిఫరెంట్ అకౌంట్లో ఉందా? ఈ బకెట్
Same accounts.
సేమ్ అకౌంట్, డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్. ప్రస్తుతానికి నాది సేమ్ అకౌంట్లో ఉంది. సపోజ్ దిస్ బకెట్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్ అకౌంట్, ఆల్రెడీ ఐ గివెన్ రైట్, డిఫరెంట్ అకౌంట్. సో దట్ కేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్, సో ఇఫ్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ వన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ అకౌంట్ ఐడి, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ బకెట్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఆల్. బట్ ఎనీవే, ఫర్ ద టైమ్ బీయింగ్ మై బకెట్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ అకౌంట్. నౌ క్లిక్ ఆన్ బ్రౌజ్. You want to replication. So which bucket? This is the source I selected. Destination 3 4. Correct. Select this one. Choose path. Now here observe here. This is the this is the very important interview exam purpose also. Replication requires what we need. Replication work అవ్వాలంటే what we need to enable.
Bucket version and
Bucket version
version.
should be enabled, otherwise it won't work. So replication requires versioning to be enabled for destination bucket. For source already I enable, but wantedly for destination bucket I didn't select versioning. Now in this case it is asking. Okay, now this is very important. So if you want to configure replication, so which is the mandatory option? Versioning is the mandatory.
Mandatory.
Without versioning enable, replication should not work. That is the basic point. Enable. That's it. Now see here, I enable that one. Okay. Now role. You know, right? What is IAM? Identity and access management role. So if we have any existing role, okay, or else by default, yeah, so S3 also it will create one role. You no need to worry. So if you don't have, just select. If you have specifically, select it. That's it. Now if you want to encryption, decryption and all, select this and all option, and destination storage class name, how much you want, select. Additional replication option, these are the optional. Okay, now just I'm creating save button. That's it. Now, so now see here, and so replication exists objects, so existing objects, no or yes. So now, so here I configure, right? Already source object one file is available. Destination object I don't have anything. Now it is asking, hey, existing objects, no, do not replication existing object, or as replicate existing object.
Is
That
replicating.
is your wish. That is your wish. If you don't want older objects, no. If you
No.
want to
Okay.
existing also, click yes. That's it. Okay. So now see here, these are the job settings and all. If you want to, we can configure this all are the all jobs and all, whatever you want, just save it. Okay, just save it. Now what is this? And what is completion report destination, where you want this report and all, I want to store in this separately. Okay, that's it. This and all optional, no need. This is not mandatory, this is optional only, no need. Now this is the batch operation executing under this particular bucket. So this is, if you don't want, cancel it. If you really need it, cancel it. Okay, leave it that one. Now go to here, buckets, and so I created. So select this one, and so where is this? Go to management. Now see here. So this is my replication rule name. This is my replication rule name. So now go to your destination. Go to your destination. Which is my destination, guys? Here, this one or this one?
1, 2, 3, 4 is
4.
destination.
Now I don't have anything, right? Just refresh it. Already I selected S, right? Not at upload means some cases first time it won't update. That case, go to bucket, go to your source, and click on replication name. Click on replication name, and so click on edit action, edit, and so here check it everything correct or not. So destination, apply all objects only, and specific, okay, I want just run it one time, that's it, first time only, no need to do anything, but actually automatically it will update first time. If it is not running, but we have to wait. Now go to here, now refresh. First time it will take time sometimes, or else newly I'm going to so upload one file, immediately it will reflect. Check it, this is the source, right? Now upload file, and so add file. I am going course open, that's it. Now upload. Now go to destination bucket, S3, go to destination bucket. Now just check it whether it is coming or not. That is the whole story, that's it. Now refresh it. Now see here, first is already updated, right? DevOps class. Now I'm in 3.4, or this is the source, or this is the destination?
Destination.
Now did I upload anything
Destination.
destination? No, right?
No.
Automatically it is updated. Same way, just refresh it, and see here, course also uploaded where? Source or destination? ఈ టూ ఫైల్స్ నేను ఎక్కడ అప్లోడ్ చేశాను? ఇక్కడ
Destination.
ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ
Roads.
సోర్స్. Source dot txt, course course dot txt, only uploaded here. Automatically that files reflected in destination bucket. That is the concept, right? Replication means whatever you uploaded here, automatically this all reflected in here. Now see here, I'm going to upload one more file. This is the, so go to buckets and select source and add file. I'm going to add one more file. No need to worry, everything taking care by. So now I'm selecting this one, upload. Now that's it, upload file. I am uploading source only. Now go to destination, where is S3? S3, go to destination, this is the destination. Just refresh it. Now automatically it will upload that file also. Sometimes it will immediately upload, sometimes it will take time. That's it. Now no need to do anything. See here, now got it.
Okay.
Okay, so that is replication. So replicate, for example, I have one bucket here, my account. So the whatever files available in this bucket, I want to share, I want to replication to another account. So that is also possible. Now see here, so that is also possible. So no need to go that account. Whatever you want upload here, so that files automatically reflected in so another account also. I hope you got it, right? How it will work replication. Clear? See here. So here I don't have anything. This is my destination. For example, vice versa also I need. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసినా ఇక్కడ కూడా రావాలి సార్. యూ హ్యావ్ డౌట్ రైట్? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎలా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేశాను? ఈ బకెట్ నుంచి ఈ బకెట్కే వెళ్తుంది. నా ఈ బకెట్ నుంచి ఈ బకెట్కి వెళ్ళవు. ఇఫ్ యూ అప్డేట్ ఎనీథింగ్ హియర్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ హియర్. దట్ ఈస్ బేసిక్. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ రైట్? అర్థమైందా లేదా? నేను కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసింది ఇది సోర్స్, అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ మై సోర్స్, అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ మై డెస్టినేషన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై డెస్టినేషన్. And so vice versa it won't work. If we need vice versa, again we need to select one more rule name, one more replication rule name, and that case we need to select this is the source and we need to select this is the destination. I hope you got it right. Reverse లో దీని సోర్స్ పెట్టుకోవాలి, మీరు దీని డెస్టినేషన్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ అప్లోడ్ ఎనీ హియర్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ హియర్. ఇఫ్ యూ అప్లోడ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ హియర్, వైస్ వర్సా. Got it? Anyone any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay, so these are the some basics. Interview mostly they are asking these areas. Now we know how to give versioning, how to enable versioning, how to upload, how to download, and what is the maximum file size 5 TB, and how many versions we can maintain 100 versions. Next, how many buckets we can create? How many buckets we can create? Default each AWS account. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడిగేది ఈ క్వశ్చన్లే మోస్ట్లీ మిమ్మల్ని అడిగేది. హౌ మెనీ బకెట్స్ వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్? ఎనీ వన్ గైస్? 100. వాట్ ఈస్ ద maximum file size? 100 buckets we can create. Next, what is the maximum size of file if you want to upload any file in AWS? This is S3. Minimum 0 bytes, right? Minimum 0 bytes. Maximum how much? 5 TB. 5 TB. Okay. So with the help of GUI, up to how many GBs we can upload? 160 GB. If we have more than 160 GB, we need to use other tool. Now, so if you want to configure replication, what is the mandatory?
Bucket version.
Versioning is mandatory. Now, mostly they are asking these questions. Next, what is right, life cycle rule? This is very very important. Life cycle rule. If you want to move one storage class to another storage class, we go for life cycle rule. If you want to delete your object after particular duration, certain period, so we need to go life cycle duration, or that is transition and deletion. So now storage class types, this is very very important. Storage class types. Okay, so just remember at least 4 to 5. If you can't remember all, no problem. At least remember 5 to 4 to 5 storage class types. Default one is, which is default. If we create any object, default one is standard only. If you want to, we can change or not. After creation object, నేను ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను, అప్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా, చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడం?
Yes, sir, possible.
Possible. These are the basic entry they are asking. Okay, just note it, and so note it somewhere, just remember. Apart from this they won't ask anything. So you cover replication, you cover life cycle rule, and so delete, so permanent delete, and so temporary delete. If versioning enable, restore is possible. If version is not enable, so file is restoring or not?
Not so.
For example, if versioning enable means you can restore the file, correct? If version is not enabled, we cannot restore. That is permanent delete. There is no undo option. So there is no undo option. Clear, guys? So that's it from my side today. And if we have any doubt, we can ask, or else we will wind up.